So this is a structure scanner. Typically when you're thinking of scanning, your scanners will run probably 15,000 plus. We looked at buying some really high-end scanners and they're really expensive. But this one's pretty cool. It was a Kickstarter and you can buy it for $400 and you can get a pretty decent scan with it. And I'll show you how to use it. Just hooks up. You do need an iPhone device and there's an app on the phone called Structure or Scanner, Structure Scanner. And let me plug it in. This one hooks up to an iPad, but I actually did 3D print a model to go into my phone. The thing is, it got a little warped. But what I will show you, if you actually want to sit in the center of this room, then I can walk around you. I'm going to grab my chair.
I'll bring my chair with me.
Okay, either one works.
That works.
And I'm just going to walk around you.
I gotta have my hand.
Yeah, you gotta be far.
So one thing is, yeah, the box is kind of small in terms of what you can actually capture, but I will capture as much as I can get. And it's actually doing something quite a bit different with the goggles. You'll see that next time. And this can be cleaned up and printed as well. We also have another scanner. It's an Xbox device, and it works with a software called Sconnect. And that's actually a really good scanning software as well for doing generic things.
So now, Beatty sells these printers, right?
Yeah.
They're not that expensive.
A lot of places.
Yeah.
It's all
You can get a printer for $200.
Yeah, and say on the low end, 200.
Yeah, it all depends on the
Well, you want it.
resolution.
The pretty decent resolution, it's just that they're gonna fail
Okay.
a lot.
Yeah.
Well, you're finding some cool stuff.
And
I
the
started
and the
talking.
first thing that they do on the cheap ones is they print the parts to make the cheap one better. So you buy your printer, you set your printer up, you print the upgrade parts for your printer.
Okay, great
Yeah,
idea.
that's good.
I mean, I
There was actually
didn't
one I
think
almost
of
bought,
it.
it was on sale for $120. Yeah, I missed it by a day when I was talking.
Yeah, I saw that one go on sale and I almost bought it. Because it was a $500 printer that they brought down on a flash sale for $100.
Oh no, this wasn't hobby, this is actually big, better, gear best.
I think that's the one I was looking for, actually, because I wasn't looking at Hobby King.
So anyway, what? Well, it's gonna say who did it. There's no owning up to who did it, it says who did it.
That is, okay, so this was a scanned image of somebody.
All right.
And what's that scanner called?
Structure scanner. So
This
this
is
is you.
what she meant by the orange pill effect, but it still looks good. You see all the little divots and bumps.
But did something weird with the glasses where it cut the lenses out. So you have
It's
to
still
go
at
in
60
and
miles an hour.
modify
That
it.
looks pretty good.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, too.
And
So
it's
you have to
just
modify that and you have to
built
tilt the
in.
whole head.
Yeah,
So something
But
like
it's
that.
pretty cool. You can also see an X-ray.
Yeah.
Well, you can fill it.
fill it,
You
sand
can
it.
zoom in and see all the vertices. And when I talk about mesh, that's what I mean by mesh. It was a 3D mesh.
Is this solid now?
It depends on how they printed it. It could be hollow, it could be solid.
It feels hard.
Yeah, I'm just,
If it was solid, it'd be heavy.
no.
And then I can just email it to you. That's the nice thing
Then
too.
I can see some holes in here.
John, which Hobby King scanner were you talking about?